This is the vertical four-stroke. Vertical four-strokes are commonly used in mid to full-size ATVs and mid to full-size dirt bikes. Also to be noted, the offshore street bikes, you will find this type of engine as well. These range anywhere from 100cc all the way up into 500cc, and they are your conventional style four-stroke. What you're going to want to watch for on them, is it electric start or kick start or a combination of both? Is it a manual shift, as in this engine, or automatic, or is it a semi-automatic? These are very reliable power plants, and you can see why they use them all over the place in the Chinese units. They will get you where you need to go. They're not overly powerful, but they are a pretty good machine. On the bottom of your casting here, you'll find your serial number and your cc size. Sometimes they're stamped into the cylinder, and sometimes they're stamped into the casings like the OEs. Common parts for replacement on these, you're definitely going to want to upgrade your ignition coil. Our high quality ignition coil will definitely improve your ride. Starting solenoids, well known that they fail on a lot of these machines. Our high quality replacement will get you the reliability you're looking for. If you happen to have a stator failure, we do sell an excellent high quality replacement stator for these machines. Voltage regulators, keep your lights burning properly. Carburetors, don't clean them, replace them. There's no point in trying to repair the inferior carburetor that came on your engine in the first place. They were never designed properly out of the factory, so just replace it with a good high quality unit like ours. And get yourself a good free flowing air filter. Get the performance that you can out of these machines. All in all, these are a pretty excellent power plant, and you'll have good luck with them.